Hello, happy April 1st, April Fool's Day. We're sending astronauts around the moon again today. It's a pretty cool day. Today we have the custom knife factory Elementak, designed by GTK. Does custom knives similar in looks to these. There's a custom Elementaks out there. Does spear tack, a variety of different things. So yeah, I haven't had a handle the custom. I like the design. I saw this pop up. I think it was picked up at Blade Show, Texas. And I got it from EDC Lifestyle. Yeah, it's a little production version of his custom. Super cool. I think it's crystal tie anodized. It's really neat how it kind of changes colors depending on how the angle the light's hitting it. Got a nice big full back spacer. I like that. It's kind of a pretty small pocket clip, or skinny. It works good. Carried it all day today and some of yesterday after I got it. So let's check it out. Very nice design. Got this gun stock type handle, similar to that, and just overall really cool looking knife. Got a little fuller going through. This is M398. This is number 4 that was made. They've been doing really cool finishes on their blades. Custom Knife Factory. I think the Ratex has a similar finish, but it has like it's really nice blast on here. And satin flat. And then you got polished swedge. Yeah, it looks really cool. And swedge got a mirror polish on it. Some jimping. And here's how it fits in my hand. Feels pretty good. Middle finger hits a little bit of that edge there, but it doesn't, it's not uncomfortable or anything. Feels good. Secure. Yeah, super nice. Front flip it. It's pretty slim. It's not a super wide handle. I think just the depth here makes it feel really good. I don't like super skinny this way, but this coming out makes it feel good. Super nice. Yeah. I've looked at his customs before. They're really cool. There's a lot of different like handle designs and finishes. So it's cool to have a production version made super well. Custom Knife Factory usually does a really, really nice job. Flick it off the fuller too. Kind of prefer doing that. Doesn't have a super tight detent, but it's enough to keep it closed unless you really chuck it out there. Nice smooth action. Super cool. All the custom knife factory knives come with the cloth, extra parts, and a little card. The only thing I'm curious is this just a wild anno job, or is it anno on crystal tie? And some of these shapes look like crystal tie to me. I think that's what it is. Yeah, very cool. I usually like kind of just plain Jane, but I guess once in a while go for something a little colorful. Just really neat how it changes. Get mostly blues here, and then you can kind of see like the bronze coloring coming through on different angles. Super neat. I really like the finish. Yeah, there we go. So we'll see how long it is. About 7.5 inches overall. Maybe like 3.3 inch cutting edge. It's good size. Not too small, not gigantic. Just a good handy size. So, kind of a normal video today. Maybe I'll get creative on the next one. Gotta do a serious video once in a while. Yeah, power swedge, so nice. There it is. Custom Knife Factory GTK Elementak production. Super cool. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching.